So there's a question on our screen here. Can someone help us? How will you write the command to display Java programming is fun on your screen?
I know how.
Okay.
Should I share my screen?
All right.
Share screen, share my particular screen. So right here.
All
Actually, let's expand that. You can type. What did you want me to type?
Okay. Java programming is fun.
Did you want to type something else?
I was going to type whatever he told me to type. What do you mean? Mean? Oh, I made a mistake. Let me quickly correct that. Yep, I'm good to go. And if I run this, it should show me right here.
Very good. Java. So System.out.println, Java programming is fun, is a command on its own. Is that right? And for every command, what you need to understand is that it's followed by a semicolon. We are coming to that.